Good morning to all the patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. How are we this morning? We are here at Craft Alive Sunshine Coast. I've got Brett from Craft Alive, the organiser. So Brett, how are you today?
Yeah, all good, ready to go.
Second day?
Yeah, second day. Things kick off at 9 o'clock, so what, about half an hour's time?
Yes.
So yeah, we're getting all organised, and today and again tomorrow, kicking off at 9.
9, and there's lots of classes and lots of things happening here?
Yeah, lots and lots. If we swing around this way,
yep.
Here's our learning timetable on the wall. So
as they walk in from the front counter, which was behind us before.
Yeah, absolutely. And things kick off from, well, virtually from first thing, and we'll announce them as they come up. So,
wonderful. So what I'm going to do now, and Brett, this one is on, when's our next show?
From here we go to Canberra, and it's the start of May.
Yes, another 2 weeks,
yeah.
2.5 weeks, something like that. I'll be down there again, we'll do some more videos from there. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk around. I did half the show yesterday morning. I'm going to walk around and do another half and see which other exhibitors are here.
Yep.
Tickets, ladies, come in. Don't forget your multi-day passes, which are an extra
$5 from multi-day means you can join us as many days as you like after the first one, and pre-purchase your tickets online and save a few dollars.
Beautiful. All right, thanks, Brett. I'm going to walk around and we'll have a look and see the other exhibitors here.
Sounds good.
All right.
See you all down here.
See you later. Thank you. All right, guys, let's all walk along and go through from there. And we just had Hands, lovely Hands, helping here with the run. Yes, thank you, Hands. Off we go. So here we go. We're going to walk through, and we've come through the front door. And what we're going to do, if you turn to the right, we've got Anne from Crystals and More. Here she comes. Good morning, Anne. How are we?
Good morning, Narelle.
And how are we this morning? Did you have a good day yesterday?
We had a great day yesterday. A lot of ladies turned out, which is what counts. That's how you keep a show in your area.
Yes. And what have you got special for the show today or this weekend?
We're going to be doing our meshwork classes.
Yes.
That's at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yes.
And you can do all kinds of weaving, you get your choice on your pattern, all that kind of stuff.
And
we've got fabulous crystals, and we put crystals on our dragons, all that kind of stuff.
All the things. And the one we have to mention is your world famous ruler.
Oh, my ruler is amazing. If you're cutting any
I'm going to put it. I'm going to go on this one up here because you can't see through you. Yeah.
But for cutting any strips, it goes up to 3 inches, and it's brilliant. Very, very accurate.
And great for your meshwork.
Perfect for meshwork.
All right, Dale, have a great day. I'm going to move along and go down through some other aisles.
Bye.
See you later. Bye bye. So we go through. You've got the nice cafe you can sit in. All right. We're going to go around here. We got Robin. We've got Penny from the Patchwork Angel. Good morning, Penny. How are you? I do little videos usually every morning as we go through. I do different ways. So, Penny, do you want to introduce yourself and say where you're from and everything? Yes, that's all right. We are. I do this before we're open, so we're all still getting organised.
Yes. We're here at Caloundra at the basketball stadium.
Yes.
We're the Patchwork Angel. We're at Forest Glen in the little old church. We've been there for 21 years, can you believe that?
That's amazing, yes.
It is amazing.
Yep.
And that's exit 200 on the Bruce Highway, so it's nice and easy to find.
Right near the BPs, I always say.
It is, just off the Bruce Highway.
Yes.
We have a big range, and of course, being an old church, we have terrific displays of quilts all up high, which is
wonderful. And you had a great show, yes? You had fun yesterday?
Yesterday. Looking forward to another fun day today and seeing lots of lovely
and a great
people.
finish tomorrow.
Yes.
All right, Penny, thank you so much for that.
Thanks
and you have a great day.
Okay,
see you later. Bye. As I said, we're still here this morning. I'll go down the first aisle and come back up the next one. So let's see who's here. We've got some ladies, as I say, we've just opened. We've got Cassandra from Every Sewer Needs. Not sure where she is, but she's here all set up, ready to go. We're going to walk down. We've got Stamping Up, is it? Yes. Did you want to go on the video and say who you are and that sort of thing, or I'll just advertise you? Yep. Yeah, just advertise. I'll just do a quick little hello. How you going? Yep, from Stan. There's Cassandra coming out from the back walls. Cassandra, I just walked past you. How are you?
Very good.
That's good. Did you want to promote anything or say where you're from and everything?
Oh, well, I'm one of the locals. I'm actually from Burpengary East, so I'm only just down the freeway.
Yes.
This is my home. It's like my backyard.
It is. It's nice to have a close one for a change, isn't it?
Yeah, so I've got my shop stand here. I've got some fantastic new nudge stands.
Right.
These are the new adjustable legged nudge stands for your needlework.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we've got some fantastic lights.
We've got lights.
Yeah, all the way. They're all LEDs, so they don't give you a hot shoulder. Mind you, cold shoulders aren't any good either.
No.
The LEDs are comfortable to use.
Comfortable and everything.
Yeah.
And all your different threads, DMCs, and you've got needles and your lovely little boxes. We always love the little boxes that you have that keep your DMC threads, keep your
even
needles.
the little cheeky emoji ones.
And emoji ones. All right, Cassandra, we'll hope you had a great day yesterday.
Yeah,
2 more
lovely. I'll
days
be
to
back.
go. Yes, we'll be back. All right, and we'll see you again. Thanks, Cassandra. See you later. Bye-bye. All right, let's move along. Opposite Cassandra, we've got Blooms and Lace with a whole heap of scrapbooking in that. So they're all through there. We're going to go down. Stamping Up, we've had importers. We've got, who have we got here? We've got some other lovely ladies. Did you want to introduce yourselves at all? Yeah.
Oh, Alison and Kathy.
And your business is?
The Crafty Chain.
The Crafty Chain. Oh, there you go. I couldn't see a sign, that's all. Crafty Chain. I just do a little video and then upload it on too. I'm Narelle from Bindy's Precuts.
Oh.
So I have a stand over here, and just each morning I go around and just highlight a few different aisles and just say who's here. I share it on YouTube and Facebook, and then you can share it from there. So yeah, I just do that as myself, yeah, and go through. So it's just to promote your business and everything. Whereabouts are you from? From Brisbane, so we're about Roaster. Yep, love that. I grew up around that area too. So there you go. All right, ladies, well, I hope you're having a great show.
Hope you're too.
Yeah, no worries. We'll see you later. Bye. And here we've got Sugar and Spice. Hello, how are we this morning? Good. Having breakfast? Yes, we all know. There's still a few not open here. Crochet Australia. Hello, good morning. How are you?
I'm very good, and you?
Good, thank you. So I'm Narelle from Bindy's Precuts, just up there. I walk around doing little videos that I put on YouTube and Facebook later on. So if you wanted to introduce yourself, you're most welcome to.
Okay.
And then I can link you through. So you're from Crochet Australia?
Crochet Australia, that's us. Yep, just unveiling everything.
I know,
for
I
today.
always do these before anyone comes. I'm really bad at that, but when it gets busy because I'm on my own, I have to. Yes, you get the unveiling on this one. Look at that. Yeah, and whereabouts are you from? Like, obviously Crochet Australia, but you're local?
We're in Yandina.
Wonderful.
So just up the road, not very far away.
No,
Open
no.
4 days a week to the public, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday.
Wonderful. So I'll put a link below with your websites
Fantastic.
or Facebook or anything through. Yep, I'll get a card or brochure off you, and
Fantastic.
and we'll share it through that way.
Wonderful.
Have a great
Okay,
show. Thank you. Bye bye. All right, we got Be Creative, and say we're not all here as yet. Let's go round to the next aisle. So don't forget, we're open from 9 till 4. We're Craft Alive here at the Sunshine Coast at the indoor stadium. We've got some more ladies here with your scrapbooking, and you're from
Kazzaz.
Kazzaz. Oh, you are too. I could see it on your apron now. I do a video that goes up onto YouTube and Facebook. Are you okay with just introducing yourselves? And yeah, okay. So you want to introduce yourself and where you're from?
Christine Smith from Deception Bay, doing Kazzaz here at the show, been a consultant for 18 years.
Wonderful, that long, wow, yeah. So you're enjoying it, and you do little demonstrations. I can see you got the table here, so ladies can come and do little make and takes.
Making takes today with tags.
Tags. Something new.
Easy to take home.
Wonderful. All right, guys, we'll have a great one. Hope you had a great day yesterday, and enjoy yourself for the next 2 days. Thank you. That's all right. We got some more the other side. We got some more free make and takes. Yep, that's Creative Memories next door. We've got your craft class. If you've booked into one of the craft classes, some of the exhibitors come and do their craft classes in here. It's right in the middle, so you can easily find it. We've got Brotherly Glen Needlecraft. So they're up here. And here we go, as we walk along, we've got Amy. Good morning, Amy.
Good morning.
How are we today?
Alex here.
And Alex.
This morning as well.
Hi, Alex. How are you? Hey. And how are you going today, Amy?
Good. We're just setting up.
Setting up. Do you want to
Yes.
introduce yourself?
So,
'Cause we
well, Amy from Amy Kallissa, as
Yeah.
you can see the sign.
Yes.
So here at the show, we've got the 3 daily classes. So let me show you. Hang on.
Yes,
put these
I know.
down.
I always do these early. I spring this on the
Sorry,
exhibitors.
not
No,
set up
that's
yet.
me. Here we
so
go.
We've got the plant classes, Plant It, which is twice a day.
Yes.
And then we've got the clutch class, so you can make one of these lovely clutches.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
yes.
Very nice.
And then the Let's Face It class.
That's
where
been
you
a
can make-
popular one, hasn't it?
It is very popular. I
Yes.
almost sold out yesterday, so I've
Wow.
got plenty more today.
Wonderful.
So you can actually stitch over 700,000 different faces. You can stitch any face in the world.
And if you don't like someone, you can give them a witch nose or something like that.
yes. And it's all about stabbing the fabric to make the person rather than stabbing the person. Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Love it.
Thanks for visiting.
That's all
Yes.
right. Have a great show.
See you over the weekend.
See you later. We'll
Thank
see you
you
again.
so
See ya.
much,
Bye, Alex. See ya.
See ya.
All right, we move along. And up here we've got some different art. We've got Petty again. We'll go down the next aisle. There's Cecile and Glenn. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to go down this next aisle and see who's down here. There's Robin from Cascade House is in this one. You've got Blockpedia across from her. We've got Jenny from Black Possum Fabrics. Good morning,
Hello,
Jenny
good
and Hazel, and Tanya from Craft Cubby. So how are you guys this morning?
Good.
That's
Ready to
good.
go.
Ready to go. We had a great day yesterday.
We did. It was fantastic.
That's good. Yes, and you had classes. Now you've got classes,
I've got
Jenny.
classes for the mini pin cushion.
Yes. And what time's that on?
That's on at 12.
12.
And I also do the talk on lead lighting with fabric.
Wonderful.
So that's at 11.
And whereabouts are you from, just if nobody's seen us before?
Tea Gardens.
Tea Gardens
Yeah,
with your black.
which is-
But you actually travel doing a lot of the craft shows
We
as
do
well.
a lot of Craft
Craft
Alive,
Alive
yeah.
and everything, yeah. All right. And then we've got Tanya with Craft Cubby, but yours stands down a little bit further.
Yes.
I know you're chatting. Did you want to talk about your stand?
I do applique.
Applique. I'll walk past and take a little photo of
Thank
it,
you.
and people will have information in the description below.
Thank you.
All right, thanks guys. See you later. Have a good one. We've got Azzy Scrap and Design. And as you walk down, this is where Tanya has her Craft Cubby and applique. All right, and she's got all the lovely appliques here. This one, and then we've got the guys over opposite her from Close to My Heart. Look at this, they're all set up ready for me. Look at this. Hello, hello. How are we this morning? You having a great show?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to, one of you want to introduce yourself and where you're from and everything like that? Who would like to talk? You can talk. We can all talk, but yeah, you can go. Yeah.
I'm Jean from Springwood, Brisbane, and we've got Kara and Shirley and Lorraine. We're all south side Brisbane.
Wonderful. I'm a Southsider originally too, so there you go. Yeah.
Yeah, so share the love.
We do.
Come up to the sunny coast for this.
And did you have a great day yesterday?
We did.
You did? And do you have any workshops or make and takes that the ladies can do?
Yes, we have this fantastic little mini
Let me get it in focus. Here we go. Oh,
fantastic
ready for
little
Easter. Next weekend.
Easter card.
Yes.
Doesn't cost anything, but fun
It's
to
a
make.
free make and take. Wonderful. All day long?
Yes, all day.
Yes.
Promoting our cutter bubs. Jean's doing a chat talk on the cutter bubs.
So in the craft chat area,
Yes,
you go and do
yes,
it. That, and what time's that on, Jean?
11:30.
11:30. Wonderful.
About that, scrapbooking made easy.
Wonderful. I'm a patchworker, so I'm lost when it comes to scrapbooking, but you can make it easy.
Yes,
Definitely. No worries. All right, guys.
Take cash and card.
Yes. We wouldn't survive without it.
No, we wouldn't. Even got cards that patchworkers would like.
Oh, there you go.
Show you later.
All right, guys, no worries. Well, have a great day. I hope you had a great one yesterday. And enjoy your next 2 days. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. All right, we go down. We've got some, that looks like a bed and breakfast thing that we're going to go through. We've got Sweet 16, Pleasuresew. We've got the ladies from Machine Embroidery Girls. I do a YouTube video, and my name's Narelle from Biddy's Pre-Cuts. I just walk around every morning doing a few little videos. Would you like to introduce yourselves and say where you're from and everything and be on it? Are you okay with that? Yep. Okay, I have to ask.
Hi, I'm Rita. I'm from Meg's Machine Embroidery Girls in Caloundra.
Oh, in Cloud, you're local. Yes, totally local. Yep. And so you've got what machines you're just demonstrating with all the embroideries and everything here?
Janome 500E,
Right.
and it's wonderful.
Yes. There we go. These are some of the embroideries. That's an applique embroidery.
Yes.
Yes. Absolutely wonderful. Well, I hope you ladies had a great day yesterday.
Bunnies made on the machine.
The bunnies made on the machine. And you show that. You actually do demonstrations and show while they're here. The ladies can walk past and see it. That's fantastic. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have a great couple of days left and had a good one yesterday. And we'll see you around. See you later. Bye-bye. We've got Greg from Pleasuresew, so he's got his little stand down here. So Greg, I do a little YouTube video each morning, just walking around introducing. Did you want to go on it and introduce your business and where you're from?
Yes, I can do that.
So here's Greg, and from Pleasuresew, I'll get you and your sign in. There we go. And so obviously you're Greg. I've just said that. But whereabouts are you situated?
We're based in Brisbane. We sell long arms and service long arms right up and down the east coast of Australia. But Brisbane based, we have a very large club, so once you buy a frame office, you have constant monthly updates with a whole group of ladies who love to sew. Because I'm an engineer as well as a sewer,
yes.
Our frames are always higher quality than out of the box.
Wonderful. And what I can do, Greg, I'll put down in the description below a link to your websites and where you are situated and that, and then we can share it all on Facebook. But that's from Greg from Pleasure, Calabar, isn't it? Calabar, there we go. All right, Dale, thank you for that, and I hope you're having a great show. We'll go around one more aisle and go up. This is up the middle aisle again. And look, here's Cecile and Greg walking around. They're actually just wanting to be on it all the time. There we go. So as you can hear, we've got Brett now announcing that we're very close to opening. It is 8:45, so we will be opening in 15 minutes. Classes all actually kick off around 10 o'clock. Okay, and we can go from there. So here we have the ladies from the Scrapbook Fantasy, the guys and family from there, all setting up as I do. I do get you in we're not quite open, but they're all there having a great show. Yep, that's good. And here we are right back to my stand here. So don't forget, if you want to come in, you can actually you can reserve your seat for any of my workshops. When you do reserve a seat, I give you a little gift, and the little gift will be on the seat for you when you arrive. So thank you again for walking around with me this morning. We will be here again tomorrow, so 9 till 4. Don't forget your multi-day class, and come and enjoy the Craft Alive show. So thank you so much, and happy sewing.